Well, this is I guess you could say new and improved version of the video I did a couple years ago titled, Do You Have to Sharpen New Lawnmower Blades? And the answer to that is no, and I'm going to make this video here to explain why, and basically, you know, a new upgraded version. So these are blades that I'm putting on this mower back here. These were what were on it, mulching blades that are a couple years old. And I really never ran that mower much because it always had carburetor trouble, and I just put a carburetor on it and it just started working. And I need a mower with a bagger on it, so I'm going to put regular high lifter blades on here and a bagger. But anyways, you see these are the blades, and they're nice and painted and pretty looking. And I've seen a lot of people on the internet saying like you have to sharpen a new blade to knock a paint off and blah 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 blah. You don't have to sharpen a new blade. If you sharpen a new blade, you're going to ruin it. These blades are perfectly balanced and perfectly sharp enough, and if you look at the edge, you see it does have paint on it, and it might feel dull to you, but wait until that paint knocks off and it's going to be sharp as ever. And the reason these blades are painted is to keep them from rusting, keep them from looking like this, and to protect the cutting edge, because you can take this blade here and bang it all over the table and stuff, and it's not going to damage the metal, but it'll damage the paint, like a paint will chip off or something. But that's why blades are painted, is to protect them. And when you put a new blade on and you start cutting with it, as soon as these blades hit the grass, that paint's history. It's going to strip it right off, because grass is abrasive. So when you get a new blade bolted on, don't even worry about painting it, because that edge is sharp enough. And these blades spin really fast. I don't know what the blade tip speed is, but I know the engine is at 3,600 RPM. So yeah, so I'm going to crawl up under there, put these blades on, put the bagger on it, get out there and cut a couple yards, and then I'll show you all when I take the bagger off how the blades look. Right there's proof that you don't need to sharpen brand new mower blades. If I can just get this darn bagger open. And that's cut grass. It's not torn, ripped, or anything. Didn't cut. Only problem is with running a bagger is it fills up awful quick, but I have a problem with something we call sand spurs down where I live. Little stickers that when you walk outside they stick to everything, so that's why I bagged that one area of the yard. Come on, focus. Thank you. So that way I don't spread the stickers, but the rest of it I'm not going to bag, because I personally don't like baggers. I never have and never will. It's about 100 degrees out here, and I don't even know why I'm out here messing with a riding mower. Alright, well, I took the bagger off, and as you can see, the paint has stripped right off the blades, and you can see that nice sharp edge. So that right there, my friends, is proof that you do not have to sharpen new lawnmower blades. See you on the next one. Bye for now.